What's up, guys? It's Blake from Acceptio, and today I want to share an update with you about a new feature on the Acceptio platform that ties into our cookie banner and consent banner experience. It now supports CCPA, which is the regulation for the state of California. Now, there's 15 plus states in the US that are reviewing laws, regulations, and more. It's created a patchwork in the United States for compliance on websites and apps. Now, Acceptio is based in the EU, so we're familiar with all of the policies, regulations, and so forth required by GDPR. However, in the US, we're hitting the ground running by adapting quickly to new state laws that we've seen are needed, especially in places like Texas, who have really shot down these organizations for misuse of data from their customers. So big fines that the media is calling out, and the judicial system as far as how they're organizing and framing these different policies and regulations for customer data. Today, if you're an Acceptio user, you can simply duplicate your banner and select and apply the CCPA feature, which would also be in the American language, and regionally that will set you up. If you're a new customer, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for somebody that's semi-technical to set this up on your website. You can customize branding, messaging, and regionality where your customers are. A lot of these laws, it doesn't matter if you're based in that state or in that region, you have to, if you're selling into that region, abide by these laws, including GDPR. We build websites at Chasing Creative and work with Acceptio closely to be able to install this on our customers' websites to keep them above reproach. If you want to learn more about CCPA, shoot me a DM or anybody on the Acceptio team, and we would gladly help you out. Not to mention, there's a blog here in the comments. If you want to learn more and dive into the latest, click that here now.
Acceptio.